Of course, I'm nervous. I'm not in the mood to shoot. You pay me for coordinate? Fund me. Over here, this. I'm looking at camera and say, what flow? Jesus Christ.
Welcome to Unveiled Reality, hosted by Helen Graham and Donald Miranda, a series built on honest, engaging conversations about weddings, style, and the realities behind the planning process. From joy and pressure to trends and budgets, we pull back a curtain on what it all truly involves. Through interactive segments and expert insight, the series offers clarity, inspiration, and reflections that connect not only to weddings, but to real-life experiences along the way. This is Unveiled Reality.
What we are shooting now? What are we shooting now? Let me speak proper English.
Will that forever
what
be
are we shooting right now?
We're doing the intro.
Again?
Yes. Calm down, Big Mama. Calm down. Calm down. Come on. Cool off. Cool off.
The day is too hot for this.
Cool off.
The day is too hot for going back and forth over and over.
Just remember, food.
The day is too hot for this.
Yeah.
Donald.
All right, let's go. All right, so where are we? Again, tell me something, HG. Why do you think people love Hope Gardens? I don't know. I just feel like your clients tend to choose Hope Gardens. Is it the cost? Is it the convenience? What is it?
It's the cost.
Is it the venue? Because it's beautiful.
It's the cost.
So it's just the cost.
It's the cost.
Right down to the cost. Well, you know what? We like affordable things, reasonable. And I mean, it's a beautiful space too.
All right. So I am not really feeling Donald today. I told Donald that I'm not in the mood to shoot today. Honestly, Donald, I told him that I'm not in the mood to shoot today.
I'm trying my best. Me a funny tour and.
Alright, it's extremely hot, guys. Today is May 24th.
She just passed out. We had to give her a little water.
This wedding should have happened on April
the 19th,
19th, and we had to reschedule it due to some unfortunate circumstances of the bride and groom. It had to be rescheduled, and today all the vendors had other things planned, but we had to make time in the schedule for the 24th to have this done. So it kind of feels a little bit rushed. I shouldn't say rushed because we have everything planned and thing. It's just that this was not on the schedule for May 24th. So we had events the day before, like yesterday. So if we come back, a lot of people kind of tired. So that's why I say I'm not in the mood to shoot today.
But guess what? Everyone showed up. You're all here, and we're gonna get it done, right?
We're gonna get it done.
We're gonna get it done.
Yeah, we are gonna do it for them as usual. We're going above and beyond, making sure that they get what they wanted and more, despite what has happened.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, thank you for showing up, as always.
It's hot, like literally.
No, it is hot,
like
but it's looking good so far. The theme or the colors are gold and white, and it's looking nice. I've seen that you mentioned earlier that you added a few extra items too for the bride and groom. You felt it was necessary to make the day extra special by including a few items. But I find like this is something you do regularly.
Yeah, I do it all the time.
Yeah,
if I have
you're just kind, so you just love give a thing, so.
My team always warn me about that.
Yeah.
My team always warn me about that. But sometimes if we have the stuff, it's not going to cost me to use it. So why not? I mean, if it's something that we have to go and purchase, no, it's a different thing. But
once you have it in storage, you just
use it.
Nice. Okay. Sounds like my wedding. Like I won't have to buy anything
you have to buy.
Oh, me go buy?
Yeah, you're icy but pricey.
No, icy and
pricey. Yes. Yeah, you are going to spend, definitely.
All right.
I remember telling you, I don't want to do your decor. I don't want to plan your wedding.
Yeah, man.
I want to come and sit down and enjoy my pricey but icy meal.
Pricey and icy. Pricey and icy.
Okay.
That's why it's pricey. It's because it's icy.
Honestly,
you get it? Yeah.
I don't want to be working on the day of your wedding. I just want to come and sit, and enjoy
No,
enjoy
that
the
sounds like you're gonna enjoy it more than me.
enjoy the fabulousness.
But I see that we're draping inside of the reception area as well.
Yes.
And that's also an add-on, right?
Yes.
I love it. I love what I'm seeing so
We
far.
are making it
This
nice.
is gonna be fabulous for 10 people. This is
Yeah.
intimate. This is nice. Good job, team. Good job.
Of
Good
course.
job.
That's what we do, Donald. That's what we
Thank you. Give
do.
me my fan.
Okay. Look here, we're out. I told Donald this morning that I'm not in the mood to shoot.
Are you ever in the mood?
I don't think so.
There you go.
Donald, do not use this, I swear.
No, I will. I swear I'm going to.
No, I'm going to.
I'm going to.
Donald,
But I like what's happening. What are we doing now? Tell me.
We're setting up the reception area because the day is extremely hot.
It is.
So we're doing the reception area. Oh my God. Donald, fan me. So we're doing the reception area first.
Yeah.
And then we're going to focus on the ceremony.
Yeah. Okay. But it looks like it's looking good. Loving it so far. Are we working with gold and white today?
Only gold and white.
Only gold and white.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only gold and white. You know to tighten it? So you can use a base here and tighten it. You can loosen it here a little bit so you get kind of what you want. And then retighten it. Because you want the candle them not too close. Okay. See it there? You can tighten it from the bottom or you can tighten it from the top. Right? And you know to do the napkins, right?
Yeah, we finished our photos.
Alright. I mean, you alright?
What am I do?
No, me just a check if you're alright.
Before you're not asking if me alright.
Donald, yo, me not ask you one thing.
Huh? Alright, come.
Because it's only 10 people, we're gonna do like two, so them get a little aisle.
Cute and girly.
Oh, under here, so not bad.
No man, this nice and cool.
That's the point.
Yeah.
That's the point. This wedding should have happened on April 19th, but the bride and groom had a little mishap. So we had to reschedule everything, call back all the vendors, rebook the location for this new date. And unfortunately, the bride is also overseas bride, so she had to change travel plans and make alternate arrangements for this new date.
So that was like a month ago, right?
A month ago.
So did the bride
we have been in hold
to the country and then came back to Jamaica, and that's a lot. Jeez.
Yeah. I remember people at work and all that and something, you know?
Yeah.
All right. So we're here for May 24th. Yeah.
It's extremely hot, of course, as you can tell. I mean, it's only one fan it can't share, but I'll do my best.
All right, so we're going to do behind the scenes of this wedding. It's a small wedding. It's 10 persons, which includes the bride and groom. They're just going to do the ceremony and a small family dinner afterwards.
Yeah, and it's looking good so far.
Yes, so good.
Yeah, the white and gold, really liking it.
And as usual, we're doing a little bit extra, as usual.
Oh yeah, you mean with the little add-ons that the add-ons with the, I'm not sure, like what? The candles are, okay, so the candles.
Usually we use that for,
for other packages,
yes,
but for this very intimate one,
I decided to just pull out all the stops.
Yeah.
We even drape in the gazebo just to give them a nice intimate feel.
Oh, that's nice.
That's
as I
what
usually
like
say, you're doing the Lord's work, Helen.
No, I'm not doing the Lord's work, right? So we're doing kindness, right?
Yeah, which is yes.
The Bible said be kind, be loving and kind.
Be kind. But yeah, it's let's see how the day unfolds.
But it's hot. It's hot. When we say hot, hot.
And she's off.
Where you park?
What is that?
I forgot to pick up mommy. Don't park. You want to come with me or what you do? Most people up on Mountain View for do the car. Are you recording? No, don't. I can't. My sister can't hear what I just said a while ago. Like seriously, you cannot carry a car garage for Saturday, for Sunday. The garage where I drive past the garage about 15
No
cars.
holiday. Ooh.
You see her car park outside, 10 inside, so carry about the 12.
1 by 11.
The 12.
Ooh.
When Donald called me, honestly, I was not in the mood to shoot.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have a lot of things going on. I now have a full-time job, and I'm being, oh my gosh, you see, never ending. Yeah. So I have a full-time job now, probably for the last 4 weeks. Donald was out of town for a few weeks, even though we have been talking. So this morning, because I have a lot of things going on, I was not in the mood to shoot, honestly. And I had to drink some coffee this morning and try to get myself pepped up. We are shooting a behind the scenes today, but I also have responsibilities towards my parents. My parents are 71 and 78 years old.
Wow.
So I have to deal with some family thing. Right now I have to leave the event, which is fine. My team is there. It's a small wedding for 10 people. I'll be back in about half an hour. But I have to pop out because it's close to my home anyway, and deal with something with my parents and come back. But on a normal day, I don't have this to do. Unfortunately, my sister was unable to handle it, so I have, as the eldest child, I have to.
Oh, girl, you the eldest?
I'm the eldest.
Wow.
Right.
Not you looking like the youngest.
So Donald is coming with me to deal with this family matter with my parents. My mother get full of Donald. You see, oh my God.
I love you too, mommy.
Donald.
I love you too.
Oh my God. Oh, she said, oh. Anyway.
Was it?
She keep on asking about Donald like she want to adopt Donald.
Oh. Hello.
Yeah.
I have no problem.
So
none whatsoever. Meals every day. Sign me up.
Meals every day?
Make sure your mommy can
sure
cook.
At 71 and 78, then I give meals every day. Me not even get meals every day.
You. But she want to get rid of you. See, I mean, I come in and you come out, you know.
Anyway, we're going to do a quick trip to do something for my parents and come back. And as we mentioned before, I did some extras because at this stage, I'm 50 years old in... Should I be announcing to people that I'm 50 years old?
Of course, no problem.
I'm 50 years old in another week and a half. Big 50.
Wow.
So at this stage, we have stuff. Why not?
Use them.
Yeah, but it's not, you know, as the team said, everybody going to think that we were dropping stuff for
and
free.
It's fine. Once we can,
yeah,
and
do
it's
it,
not a big sacrifice or anything. And it's still a big sacrifice. Like you putting these things out there. Yeah.
I have to pack the stuff to come and all of that. But anyway, that's just who I am.
But you feel good.
Yeah.
Like it makes you feel good, right?
I am like, at 50 years old, I've seen it all, done it all.
Yes.
And
when you give, it comes back to you anyway. You know what I mean?
Life is so full circle. Like, that's my little takeaway.
Your little? You've been talking. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Come on in.
And you, sister, me I call you. You, sister, you literally, sister, me I call you. It's when people always late.
The mailbox off.
You see them something, you know? Them something make people get mad. Because me tell us to deliver the flowers in by 12 o'clock. And now 1 o'clock. But you see the comment know say you're always late, and I'm looking at the camera and say, because you see comment know say you're always late, me did tell say the wedding at 2 o'clock, the wedding at 3 o'clock, and me know say you're going to come late. And you're still late. Father Divine, the late people them from a team need Jesus and the 12 disciples. I'm going to say this, people, we got to get it together.
Hello, I'm near you.
You're near, oh, you're on your way up.
Woman.
Okay, 2 o'clock wedding. Yes. That's why I'm arch with the floor.
We're so reach to you.
Alright. You know that I got a ticket last year. You know the place I'm gonna buy my shake. I'm not supposed to make the right turn there, so I made the right turn one morning after I drop off the kids, and there was a police came right out in the road. A 10 grand ticket to go buy a shake. Oh, that was not funny, you know. Like that morning, the shake not even taste like how it normally tastes. Because I'm telling you, what I
Shake
spent to
bitter.
get that shake.
Shake bitter.
Donald.
Oh God.
But you know, so I learned my lesson from then. I have not made that. I will drive around.
You consider say if Donald maybe if he have like a breakfast before he come out or if he have like a tea or anything. Nothing. I just say to me. You talk about how you miss me and you not feel complete without me or something and
You know, Donald, we're due for our breakfast.
I like how you flip that. You're not even an argument, you just say, Donald, we're due for our breakfast date.
We're due for our breakfast date. That's what I'm saying.
True.
We have not done our breakfast date.
No, we got to. Yeah.
I think the last time we did breakfast date.
A long years ago, actually.
You remember the place I would go with?
Yes, across Pan.
Tree. What I mean?
Pan Tea Tree.
Tea Tree.
That was a year. That was so. You remember how much we had a good time, you know, man.
Oh God, you know, say.
Wow,
me and the omelette and all of that.
No, we have to. We must. We will.
I'm trying to manage, live a little longer. 50 years old. Yeah, trying to see if I can add a few more years to my life. God, thank you for carrying me this far. I've been grateful despite the challenges, despite the disappointments, despite the good times, the ups, the downs. Thank you, Lord, for carrying me this far. I am grateful. That's all I have to say. Them say pressure make diamond.
And you're shining bright like a diamond.
Shining.
Rihanna.
Shining bright like a diamond.
Or maybe I'm like a diamond. Wula. Yeah. Wula. When you are wide, no matter wine and stuff. If you're wine and stuff, you make it full of trap.
Oh my God. You pay me for coordinate? I tell people in this business, you have to love it. You have to love it. If you don't love it, the ins and the outs and the stories and the things where you go through. But let me tell you something. I'm just grateful that I have breath every morning and I can sit down beside my friend Donald.
Hey.
And we can have a cup of coffee and we can chat. That's life.
And laugh, girl.
And let me tell you something, and laugh.
Man, can we laugh when we together?
Everybody go through challenges and sometimes you don't know why people do the things they do in life. And I have learned to just give people grace. Just giving them grace at all times.
Oh wait, you're not
but
showing it. You
I
need
don't
to
want
sit
nobody
up.
hear me laughing. I laugh too much in the video them. I must laugh, Isha.
You need to come over a little. I say, Carrie, you have need big, make we feel so far from each other.
An Outlander. It's an Outlander. Right now, I want to buy one new Outlander. And the price on the Outlanders is
outlandish.
But I can understand. But I can understand why the new ones, because the new ones are big.
Yeah. Bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, for care this.
Well, I know, man. Thank God. And then you know what I say, if I feel vegan, I tell you about that place.
Yeah, come here, sir. What the
I miss the video I want to do.
Yo, that would not before. I damn out of the face him and I never use him again.
What, him?
What's him?
Oh.
Go long way, my go bright out of Watch your camera reverse.
All right.
Donald, are you?
Yes, I've been recording.
I have a box with some roses, some brand new roses. We can do 2 more sets. I would need to get this sorted out. How much of these will have left?
4. Those 2 and then 4 is in the box. The new box.
So I need one more. Or do we have two smaller ones like this?
Hey, we think you sleep at night time and say that to yourself. Pricey and icy. So good.
You alone a swerve on this.
Surf.
Usually my exes tell me enemies, but this is different. Cause we ain't got, cause we're the real one. Even though we ain't together, it was real love. And it is still.
Donald.
Yes. Are you nervous?
Of course, I'm nervous.
You feeling all the feels, like the butterflies?
Yeah, it's a big moment for me, so I just want it to be a good one, you know?
Yeah. Well, you know what? He's gonna be really happy because you're looking gorgeous. Yeah. You look good,
Thank
girl.
you.
Oh God.
Ready?
The song is playing, yeah?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
If either of them falls down, one can help the other up.
Okay, we've come to the end of another evening, and Donald is forcing me to put on a microphone to say something, but I'm tired. I mean, no matter how small a wedding is a wedding. We still have to pack, we still have to unpack, we still have to set up. It's just like less chairs, less tables, but I'm tired. We all had events yesterday, so we are nearing the end of the road.
Oh, you
What's that
alone,
name,
baby.
song?
You
What end of the
alone.
road?
You alone. But until next time. Bye. That wasn't so bad.
Donald, I'm too tired to say another
That
word.
wasn't so bad, was it? Hello, cherish these moments. May you just say, oh, you miss me.
No, you
And
made
see
me
me
miss it the
aside
other
of you.
day. Yeah.
All right, then. Me not even one day gone good or whatever you message me in less than 24 hours. Donald, I miss you already.
Donald,
Yes.
thank you for coming. I do appreciate your kindness. Today, my 50th birthday is coming up. My big 50, and I just want undisturbed peace.
Wow.
Jermaine, you have to do a cake for me for my birthday. Jermaine, I have to do a cake for my birthday. What I want to eat? What do I want to buy? I'm talking about